So, the first part is the strategy. I'll walk you to the strategy. When you're doing a strategy development, wag nyo kagad ipapakopy yung isang bagay na 3 buwan mo palang ginagawa, 5 buwan mo palang ginagawa. Do not scale up something that you're not ready psychologically. Because the strategy will always be only 10%. Kahit gaano kagandang strategy na yan, the market will always change. It's dynamic. The market will always evolve. And the strategy will be obsolete in a way. Okay? Tsaka may mga uncertainty sa labas. So, put it in the perspective na ang strategy mo is only 10% of who you are, of what you're gonna be. Kaya, the simpler your strategy is, the better. The most effective strategy is the most simplest strategy na pwede mong gawin. Hindi siya pa-komplikado, pagandahan ng drawing. Yung dapat mabilis mo kang magde-decide na this is the perfect entry and the perfect suited sa personality ko. And that's where you're gonna develop discipline kasi yung strategy fit for you, ifo-forward test mo pa yan ng 6 months to a year bago mo scale up. So bago mo siya scale up, na dodoblehin mo para madoble psychological wallet mo, tingnan mo muna yung sarili mong result, sarili mong performance 6 months to a year.